everyone, this is Mia from VMT, and this is my company, Victory Machine Talents, and we are the 30 years manufacturers for custom CNC machining parts. And you can see here is our certification, and we have SGS and ISO and the certification of 16949. And now, let's take a look at our workshop.
And here is our workshop. We have more than 15 machines here, including the 3-axis, 4-axis, and the 5-axis machines. And we check the size every 2 minutes, so we can strictly control the size. We can take a look at our machines and to see how the machines work. For some small and simple design, we can do more than 20 pieces 1 minute. So large quantity like 10,000 pieces or even 100,000 pieces are okay for us.
Here you can see we use a special material turnover box so the product will not damage during the transportation. Here is our test machine so we can check the size and control the quality strictly, and also we will provide the size report before the shipment. Here is our assembly and packing workshop, and our staff are checking the appearance now, and all of our items are burr-free and have a smooth surface. We will also pack the items one by one, so it will not damage. Finally, let me introduce our team. Our engineers have more than 30 years of experience, so if you are interested in our factory and if you want to get a quick quotation, then contact us for more. Thanks for watching.